Don't focus too much on grammar, but focus on useful phrases instead if you want to sound more natural when you speak Dutch. In this video, I'm going to share all the useful phrases you need to help you express your opinion. If you're familiar with my teaching style, you know that I use my unique ABCD strategy, which is like the simplest strategy to help you speak with confidence. Let's do a quick recap. And if you want to use this strategy, then the most important thing is that you start with a small and realistic goal. That could be, for instance, talk about your favorite movies with a coworker. That's a small and realistic goal that you can achieve in like 1 week. If you have your small and realistic goal, then it's time to use this ABCD strategy. The A stands for absorb. I want you to absorb the language in the situation that you're preparing for. So focus on listening and reading. Immerse yourself in the language, and this could be to go to that situation and listen to other people who speak Dutch, or use YouTube and look up videos that will help you immerse. Then it's time for phase B, building blocks. And these building blocks are the tools, the skills, the words, the grammar, vocabulary, and useful phrases that you will need for your speaking goal. So focus on the building blocks that you need instead of just learning random grammar, random words. You specifically work towards your goal. Then it's time for phase C, consolidation. You're gonna practice in a guided way. You're gonna create speaking templates by using the things you've looked up and worked on in phase B. So write out a dialogue and try to visualize yourself in a situation. After preparing with the template, you can speak Dutch in daily Dutch situations, which is phase D. And in phase B, you're going to be working on vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and useful phrases. And that last one is what I will be covering in today's video. And today's phrases can be used in any situation where you want to express your opinion. That could be if you want to talk about your favorite movie, if you're discussing something at work, if you want to talk about food, anything chit-chatty. As a beginner or up to level A2, there are several ways to express your opinion. Ik vind leuk. Ik vind lezen leuk. Don't use the verb is because you already have a verb which is vind. Ik vind. Ik hou van. Houden van means to love something or to really like something. Or if you want to say I agree, then you can say mee eens. Or keep it short and just say eens. Or dat klopt or klopt, which means that's correct. Precies. Exactly. Inderdaad. Indeed. Dat vind ik ook, or vind ik ook. You can also use niet to say the opposite thing. Ik vind lezen niet leuk. Ik hou niet van lezen. Niet mee eens. Dat klopt niet. Dat vind ik niet. And with these phrases, you can express your opinion at levels A1 or A2. If you're looking for more complicated phrases towards level B1, then check this other video. Let's practice. I'm going to give you my opinion and I want you to respond with a useful phrase in the comments. Ik vind Nederlands eten heerlijk. Wat vind jij? I'd love to read what you think about the Dutch food. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my next video. Tot snel!